Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to crochet a cover for a glass. So to make this I have used single crochet stitches, worked in round to get this structure. To make this, first I made the base and then worked continuously in round. I just repeated these stitches until I get the length for the cover. The glass which I have used, it is 2.5 inch in width, so I made the base according to this width. But this cover you can make for any size of the glass. I will explain you how to make the base. And to make this I have used this multicolored thread from Sugar and Cream brand. This is a cotton thread, and for this thread I have used crochet hook of size 3.0 mm. So before we start to make this glass cover, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to make this glass cover. First we are going to make the base of the cover. So take your thread. Here I am going to use a magic ring. I will give you a link above on how to make a magic ring in detail. So once you have a ring, in this ring we are going to make 8 single crochet stitches. So first make chain 1, then into this ring 8 single crochet stitches. After 8 single crochets, if you're working in magic ring, just pull this loose end to close this ring. So round 1 is done and we have 8 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 2 we are going to work continuously. We are not going to use a slip stitch. So skip this first chain and top of very first stitch take your hook and make 2 single crochets. Place the marker in your first stitch so you get to know this is the starting. Now top of next stitch make 2 single crochet. So in round number 2 we are going to repeat this stitches. In remaining stitches make 2 single crochet and work till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 2 you will have 16 single crochet stitches. So round number 2 is done and we have 16 stitches. Now in round number 3, top of first stitch make 2 single crochets. Place the marker in your first stitch. Then in next stitch make 1 single crochet. So in this round we are going to repeat this stitches. Top of next stitch make 2 single crochet, then in next stitch make 1 single crochet and repeat till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 3 you will have 24 stitches. So round number 3 is done and we have 24 stitches. Now at this point we are going to just measure the size of the base. So what you have to do, take your glass and at the bottom side just place this circle. So for me it's one more round is required to cover this base, but if you have a different size glass and the width is more, then you need to make one more round or according to the size of this base. So you just increase in each round, like how we made 2 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, then in next round you have to make 2 single crochets, then 1 single crochet, then you need, if it is not covered the base, then you need to make one more round with 2 single crochets and 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. Like that you can increase the size of the base according to the size of your glass. So when you reach to the required size and left with your last round to cover the base, so in your last round you need to work in the back loop of these stitches. So this is the front loop and this is the back loop. So we are going to work in back loop of this stitch. So now take your hook in back loop of next stitch and make 2 single crochet. So for me the last round is 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet. So I'm going to make 2 single crochets, then in next 2 stitches 1 single crochet. So according to your previous round, your last round will define. So for me it's 2 single crochet, then in next 2 stitches work in back loop and make 1 single crochet, then so like this I'm going to repeat these stitches. In next stitch 2 single crochet, then in next 2 stitches 1 single crochet. Repeat these stitches till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 4 you will have 32 stitches. So round number 4 is done and we have 32 stitches. So my last round has covered the base. Now we are going to start our stitches to make this top part. So now we are going to start to work our stitches. So here again we are going to work the single crochet stitches, but this time we are not going to work on this stitch. We are going to work at the back side. So this is our stitch, but when you see at the back side here, you can see this knot here. So we are going to work on this knot. You can see, you can find this knots at the back side, this one. Now take your hook at the back knot here and make 2 single crochet. Place the marker in your first stitch, then in next 1, 2 and 3 back knots, make 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. So like this, you can see this stitch from our previous round will come in front like this, and we work these stitches at the back knot. Now again in next back knot here, make 2 single crochet, then in next 1, 2 and 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet. So you can see this stitches come in front like this, and now we are going to repeat this stitches, work again in this back knot and make 2 single crochet, then in next 1, 2 and 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet like this. Repeat this stitch till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 5 you will have 40 stitches. So round number 5 is done, and you can see the stitches from our previous round will come at top. I'm going to just place this mat. So now this has covered the full base. Now from round number 6 we are going to make 1 single crochets in each back knot. So you can see this is the stitch. So we are not going to work on that stitch, we are going to work at the back side of this knot. So you can see this back knots. So take your hook in the back knot and make 1 single crochet, then in next 1 single crochet, then in next 1 single crochet. So like this we are going to make 1 single crochets by working in back knot of these stitches. and complete this round. Round number 6 is done, and you can see this structure. Now again we are going to work in this back knot. So you can see this is the stitch, and at the back side this is the knot. So we are going to work on this back knot. So 1 2 3 4. So like this, work in this back knot and make one single crochet. So when you work on this back knot, this V structure will come in front like this, and it will give a texture like this. So like this, work one single crochet and complete this round. So my 7th round is done, and you can see this has started to take the shape. Now just place this glass. You can see. Now you just have to repeat this stitches, make one single crochet and work on this back knots of these stitches here. So you can see this, all these back knots. You just have to work on this back knot and make one single crochet until you will get the required length of your glass cover. So for me, this is the required length. So I made total 20 round. This is 3 inch in length. So I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.